There are over 500 energy drinks on the market today, all promising the same thing: more energy. But their energy comes at the cost of high calories, large doses of caffeine, and low to no nutritional value. BIOS Life E is a whole new type of energy drink, Smart Energy, designed to supply the energy you need without the harmful side effects.
Unlike other energy drinks available on the market today, BIOS Life E is low calorie, uses natural ingredients to provide a gentle yet sustained boost of energy, and supplies your body with potent antioxidants.
BIOS Life E was formulated with carefully selected ingredients that are safe and best in class at supplying energy, antioxidants, electrolytes, thermogenesis, and mental clarity. Most energy drinks base their energy boost on high levels of artificially produced caffeine and lots of sugar that creates a spike in energy, followed by an even more dramatic crash afterwards. BIOS Life E provides a natural energy boost over a sustained period of time of 3 to 4 hours. Its source of energy is derived from the matcha tea leaf and guarana berry extract. Our ceremonial quality matcha tea is carefully harvested in Japan from the finest tea leaves grown.
Matcha is one of nature's super antioxidants. It is 20 times more potent than acai berries, 4 times more potent than wolfberries, and 70 times more potent than a glass of orange juice. One of the great things about matcha is that there are naturally occurring amino acids such as L-theanine, which help promote calmness and yet boost your energy and alertness.
Used for thousands of years by Buddhist monks, matcha's benefits are legendary. It significantly and safely increases energy over several hours without the jitters, improves mental alertness, increases calmness and reduces stress, boosts metabolism, which facilitates weight loss. Matcha contains supercharged antioxidants for powerful anti-aging activity.
The great thing about BIOS Life E is it really is a healthy energy drink. BIOS Life E is smart energy.
Anyone can make an energy drink. It took Unicity International to make a smart energy drink.